welcome back. Another day of the March Madness 2025, and today we have the double leg kick. Yesterday was a single leg kick. The double leg kick is a little bit more complicated than that was. So we're on our stomach again, and we have our heads on one side, and we have our elbows touching the ground, and we bring our feet up, and we are going to tap our heels towards our bottom. So tap, tap, and then we're going to lift our chest up, put our feet down, lift our chest up, lower the chest, and then kick, kick, kick 3 times, lower the legs, arms reaching back, lifting the chest, coming down again. We're looking to the one side, pulse, 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 lower the legs, hands go back, lifting the chest. I'm going to do one more. And pulse, 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 lower the legs, arms coming around, and lifting. And that is double leg kick, the Joseph Pilates OG mat repertoire. Thank you for joining me again, and I shall see you tomorrow. Bye.